And to the right,
you're with John Hill and Sandor Bono of the Providence Journal as we begin our snowy journey back to the Journal building in Providence for a press conference here at Rhode Island Emergency Management Headquarters in Cranston. This is one of the fun little ironies of the news business, where we are now going back to the Journal to prepare stories and reports that will tell you not to go out and drive on the road, which is, of course, exactly what we're doing.
yes, we are. And to be sure, I just want to mention that I am driving and John is doing the video, so there is no issue of the driver with one-handed shenanigans.
There are a lot of dumb things we'll probably be doing today, but that's not one of them. Anyway, so we're looking at these from what the weather reports and all the state and local officials are telling us. This is pretty much the weather we're going to be looking at till about 6 o'clock. And all kidding aside, if you don't need, even if you need to be somewhere, don't go. The wind and the snow rate is really causing a problem on the roads. They're looking at hourly accumulations of between 1 to 4 inches per hour. And the Department of Transportation says that once it hits 3 inches an hour, it creates a real problem for them to keep up with it. And they really need to be out there doing it themselves. All the whiteout and the visibility problems yes, we want to take Route 37 to Jefferson Boulevard. Sorry about that. Sandor and I are just trying to figure out where the heck we are because we can't see more than about 30 feet ahead of us. Anyway.
Let's see where the exit is. Here's the entrance to the exit.
See, these are some of the problems you're having.
Visibility is an issue.
Visibility is an issue, and stopping distance is an issue. And while there has been plowing, you will see situations, and we've got one right here,
We just got into one, and I hope
where we have some stuck comrades on this ramp, and I don't know where we're going.
Because of the truck, there's a plow up ahead. Is that a plow?
We can only hope so. Boy, is this going to get boring fast.
Yeah. Okay, what are the chances of backing up?
Let's give it a shot.
I can't see where we're going very well, so I'm going to try to just back up slowly.
Okay, we're...
We actually managed to go backwards, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, and well, let's see how cool it is once we hit that wall of snow. Because that's what happens in some of these situations. When there is plowing on a more traveled road, they're going to create a wall of snow on the lesser traveled roads. The other advantage is there are very few cars out. Oh, somebody's watching from Florida. God bless you. I lived in Orlando for 3 years, and I wonder, some days like this, I wonder why I ever...
Can't back up very well. No, just stay right here.
Well, you know, and this is an example of why you don't want to be out. The other big thing about this storm is, beyond just the snow that's falling now, is that we're going to be seeing some really frigid temperature drops during the night, down to single digits, even below 0. And any snow that isn't removed before those temperature drops come is going to freeze solid. So it's really important that the streets stay clear so plows can get out and clear them curb to curb. It's also a good idea, if you have a sidewalk in front of your house, go out there a couple times during the day if you can, start clearing it up. Because you don't want that stuff there. Your sidewalk is going to be an ice walk. Fortunately, we got nobody coming from the other direction.
I'm trying to back up. I'm getting there. I just can't quite get there fast enough.
So, we're almost there.
I know, but this last little bit has got a big berm on it, and I'll take a running start.
One thing that has happened that they announced, I don't know if I said it, tractor trailers have been banned from Rhode Island roads until 9 p.m. tonight. The idea is there were about a half dozen accidents on various highways where the trucks jackknifed and blocked traffic. So the governor has declared, using her emergency powers to say those vehicles should not be coming out onto Rhode Island roads. Actually, nobody should, now that we're thinking about it.
Can I make this? What do you think?
Give it a shot.
I can't see if there's a little berm here or just snow. I think we should.
We're here on the entrance ramp from the London Avenue to
You know what?
Route 37.
Hey, I think we're going to kind of call it a day for now because we got to get out of here.
Push.
Yeah. So, thank you. Bye.